All right, I've got a preheated oven. I'm going to be roasting this in a very hot oven, maybe 400 Fahrenheit, till it browns. I'll be back. Oh yeah, and after about 30 minutes, we're going to reduce the temperature and let these slow cook. Hello, Chef here. So a quick thermometer review. If you don't have one of these instant read thermometers, I suggest you get one. This is a brand new one, and normally you have to calibrate these, but I know by the room temperature that it is right about 70 degrees Fahrenheit in here. So yeah, this baby's working good. It's got a slim stainless steel tip. Insert into the meat, gives you the temperature right away. Pocket clip, calibration right here. You put the thermometer in and you can give the nut a twist right here. Now this only works if you buy the really good quality thermometers, not the cheap ones. This changes the temperature right there, calibrates it for you. You stick this in ice water, all right, or boiling water, either way. So anyway, pretty cool. That's the review. If you need this stuff, you know where to get it. Checking the pork. Let's see what we're at. Okay. Got 2 pieces here. I'm going to check the larger one. It's a little bit thicker. Instant thermometer in the center. We're at approximately 110 Fahrenheit. Not done. Okay, it's looking pretty good. I believe that meat is done. Let's check it with that thermometer once more. Looking for an internal temperature, at least 140 Fahrenheit. $120, $125, $130, $135, $140. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we got this beautiful pork here, and I'm going to show you my next step. I'm going to use one of these pieces of pork today, and I'm going to first of all remove the apples from both of them. The apples are going to end up in my barbecue sauce. Oh, it's going to be good, let me tell you. So I got all the apples off this one right here. Looking good. Look at that beautiful piece of meat. Yeah, you can see the nice color. The rub is penetrated in as well. Okay. I'm going to put this aside. The other one, remove the apples as well. Okay, and the apples and the juice go into a bain-marie container like this. Wow, that's hot. Over time, you learn to develop a sense for that heat. It doesn't hurt so much. This pan is at least 300 degrees, and I'm just picking it up. Okay, apples and juice go right in the bain-marie. Chef's barbecue sauce from a previous video. Like, share, subscribe, check it out, and find the sauce. And here is the apples and juices, natural juices here. Immersion blender. Combine the two. Chef here. So I've got this beautiful roast pork. I'm going to be slicing some of it up with the turbo knife. Wow, look at that. Nice thin slices. Oh, the finished barbecue sauce. And the roast pork. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Have a beautiful day and keep cooking. Yeah.